Hello, I'm Glenn Pernick and I am the Technical Director for Product Trials for our UC Enterprise team.
And I'm Connor Bright, the Technical Director for the Northeast, also on the UC Enterprise team.
Today we are very excited to show you one of the newest members of the Flex family, our Flex 8-inch video desk phone with handset for Microsoft Teams software. These devices are for dedicated collaboration that make joining calls, viewing content, or scheduling meeting as simple as a tap on the screen. What's even better is that they bring phenomenal audio and video quality to every meeting, all while keeping your computer desktop free and clear for other tasks.
Our Flex phones come in a variety of options. We have 8 and 10-inch displays, with and without handsets, audio only, and of course with video and built-in cameras. All of these phones can show you the content that is being shared. So you can see that PowerPoint slide right on the phone and can even pinch to zoom if more detail is required. There is so much more to share, but let's jump right in and see it all live.
So now we are going to unbox the phone and show you everything there is to know about the actual phone. Here we have our brand new 8-inch phone with camera and handset. For the most part, all of our phone models will come packaged just like this. The contents virtually the same as is the setup. So as we open it up, we see our QR code. This gives you a direct link to the landing page of the product showing all the specifications and documentation you will ever need. Right below, we have a brand new phone. This model is the certified Microsoft Teams version. Let me take it out of the box and give it over to you, Connor.
Thank you, Glenn. As you can see, we have a beautiful touchscreen display. We have a camera with privacy shutter. We have a speaker that provides full duplex audio and a microphone with great pickup. We also have an occupancy sensor, which can wake up the device when you approach. You'll also notice that there are 6 soft buttons at the bottom of the display. These include a dedicated Teams button, headset, speakerphone, volume, and mute controls. There's also Bluetooth 5.0 and Wi-Fi built right in, so you can use the device wirelessly. There is a base that is removable, so you can mount it on the wall. We have a Kensington lock for security, and we have dual LAN ports, one to connect the phone with PoE, and one to connect your device to the phone. We also have a power supply available if PoE is not available on the corporate network. Finally, we have the handset port and the USB-C port for a wired headset. Glenn, show us what else is in the box.
Sure. Under this main section, we have our accessory box. Do not throw this box away. Inside, because this was the handset version, we have our handset and our cable that plugs into the back of the phone, and we also have a screen cleaning cloth, comes right with it. Pretty nice. Okay, Connor, let's plug it in.
Perfect.
Now that the phone is powered up, let's walk through how to configure it.
Perfect. With Crestron XIO Cloud, these devices are very easy to set up. You can even configure settings like occupancy detection, Bluetooth, and network ahead of time. When you plug in the devices, these settings will automatically be applied from the cloud. Now we have some selections to run through. The first is to select your language. We'll select English, then tap OK. You'll then be prompted to select your time zone. We'll select New York, then OK.
Now we are at the sign-in screen. With these Teams phones, you can also use the code presented on the screen, and on another device, go to the device login portal, enter the code, and it will sign you in remotely. For this demo, we are taking the manual approach. Let's hit sign in on this device on the bottom and use the appropriate credentials. It will take a moment to sign in. As you can see, I now have my full Teams experience right from the touchscreen. The first thing I like to personally do is change it to dark theme. Let's go ahead and hit the icon on the top right hand corner, hit settings, and slide the dark theme to yes. It will ask to restart. Let's go ahead and press restart, and we are ready to go.
Right from the homepage, you can see that we have several options available. We can select our calendar to see what's going on for the day, and even join meetings with a single touch. You can also tap the purple plus icon to create a meeting right from the phone. At any point, you can tap the Home or Teams button to go back to the home page. We will then tap the Calls button to see a list of our favorites and our recently placed calls. We'll go back home, and we can now tap the Voicemail button to see a list of any messages we might have in our voicemail.
Next, I want to show you how this device shows in-meeting content, which can be done with all of our Flex phones. I am now going to go to my calendar, join my meeting, and as you can see, the meeting is already in progress, and someone is sharing a PowerPoint. The high definition display lets you see all the detail, but if you ever need a little help, simply pinch and zoom and you can see every pixel. While in the meeting, you can mute your microphone here, and you can get an indication on the light bar, which helps prevent the famous quote, "You're on mute." All right, let me close this down and end our meeting. Lastly, you can set up some additional personal preferences by hitting your icon in the top right-hand corner. Here, you could set your status, set up hot desking, or something really cool is linking your computer to your Flex phone. This scans the network for a computer logged into your Teams account. You can then use the phone's speaker, microphone, and with the video models, the camera as well. You will continue to get great meeting performance no matter how you meet.
Awesome. And there you have it. It's just that simple. Crestron Flex and now Flex phones just keep getting better. To learn more, visit crestron.com/flex.